Nnọọ na nkụzi ụbọchị taa, anyị ga-amụ ekene na ugwu. Aha m bụ Nwaada Blessing Ifeanyichukwuma. Ịdị nkwadobe? Ka anyị bido. Hello and welcome to Igbotutorials. In today's lesson, we are going to learn greetings and morals. By the end of this lesson, you should know the basic ways of greeting and be able to hold small talks in the Igbo language. Are you ready? Let's begin. So how do you say hello in Igbo? It's ndewo. Ndewo. No is welcome. As you always hear me say at the beginning of every lesson, ndewo and no. So it means welcome. Biko is please. Imeela or dalo is thank you. Means yes. Mba means no. Tere is wait. Okay? When you want to say good morning, you say ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ ọma. Ụtụtụ there means morning. Okay? Ehihie ọma is good afternoon. Ehihie is afternoon. Okay? Mgbede ọma, good evening. Mgbede is evening. Kachifo, good night. Ije ọma is safe journey. Fun fact, Ije ọma is also Igbo name for a female. Okay? Ije ọma is safe journey. Ka emesia is goodbye. Ka o mesie or ka odi is see you later. Okay? Ka o mesie. Although some people interchange ka emesia and ka o mesie as goodbye. But ka emesia is goodbye and ka o mesie is see you later. Okay. Ndo is sorry. Adem mma, I am fine. Adem mma, I am fine. Adihim mma, I am not fine. Adihim mma, I am not fine. Kedu or kedu ka imere is how are you? Kedu is simply a short form of saying kedu ka imere. Okay? So you can either say kedu or kedu ka imere. Alright? Let's check out our understanding of our lesson on greetings and morals with this small talk. Nkata. Okay? Try to write down the meaning of these sentences in English without going back to our lesson, just to check out how well you retain the information. It's okay if you can't remember all. It's okay, trust me. But just try to write the ones you can remember as we go on. Okay, let's say conversation between two people. Okay, let's begin. Ndewo, ehihie ọma. Ndewo, kedu ka imere. Alright. Adịm mma. Kedu ebe ị na-eje? Where are you going? I added this here so you know what it means, since it's not in our greetings, but just to keep the conversations going. And now you know how to say where are you going. It says kedu ebe ị na-eje? Anam eje Abia. I am going to Abia. Anam eje Abia. Ọ dị mma. Ije ọma. Ka emesia. Ka ọ dị. Remember, just like any other language, be patient with yourself while learning the Igbo language. As long as you keep on practicing, you are doing your best and you will surely get it, okay? Write in the comment section. Keep your comments coming. If there is any other greetings you would like to know the meaning in Igbo, I will be here to answer, okay? Please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video, favor this video, share with your family and your friends. Till next time, go Messier.